श्रेष्ठंगनोपि सजीवत्र सर्वं रूपं तस्सब्रजमुपुरीं मातृङ्गुष्टवाटीं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमुः राधिकामाधवासं प्राप्तयस्य प्रथीतकृपया श्रीगुरु तं नतोऽस्मिन्। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधा स्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्रे नमो नमः। वीणापराधलक्ष्यैक्षिप्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते अरविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणभरा ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्रीभगवान गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य भक्ति वेदांत गोस्वामी महाराज के चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज अष्टोत्तर श्री भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव विष्णुवृंद मातृवृंद गौरगत सज्जन वृंद हरि कथा पिपासु श्रोतृवृंद सभियों की चरण मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार। बहुत सुंदर की बात है।
Very nice
गुरुदेव की
to hear
की महिमा
because of occasion of
वर्णन किया।
Gurudev.
दो शब्द
It's
के
nice
द्वारा
that he spoke about our Gurudev.
जिहा को पवित्र करता हूँ।
I will just speak few words to purify my tongue.
हम लोग भक्ति मार्ग में नित्य परिकर है। कृष्ण के नित्य परिकर
is Krishna Nitya Parikar, just like Subal, Nanda, Jashoda, Radha, Vishaka.
कृष्ण के क्या है?
Who are they?
नित्य परिकर।
They are Nitya Parikar of Krishna.
ऐसे नित्य हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप में
ऐसे like
कृष्ण के प्रति प्रगाढ़ अनुराग।
we have Anurag.
इसके सारिस का राग
We have Anurag, who is this Nitya Siddhas of Krishna. They live totally absorbed in Krishna.
तन्मय तो भवेद वसा रागात्मिका कविता। ऐसे जनों के कहा जाता है रागात्मिक जन।
They are called Raga Atmik Parikars of Krishna, who they are called Raga Atmik. Raga Atmik.
जिनके हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप में
In their hriday, in their heart,
स्वाभाविक रूप में कृष्ण के प्रति
in their heart, Krishna's Anurag is there.
कैसे समझेंगे?
How can we
ये
understand
लोग
that?
जो कुछ भी काम करते हैं
Whatever
मतलब
work
अच्छे
they
रूप से
do,
करते हैं।
they are totally
वो
surrendered to
दान
give.
करते हैं, गाय दूध दूध
Even
काटते हैं,
even
क्या
the
करते हैं?
even they are
गोविंद
even they are
दामोदर
milking the cows. The gopis who are milking the cows, they are singing what? They are singing Jai Govinda Damodar Madhaveti.
माधवेति कृष्ण हि जादव हि सखेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति जादुहने अपहने मतन प्रलीपो जब वे लोग जब
When they
दूध
are
काटते हैं,
cows,
दूध काटते हैं तो क्या करते हैं?
what are they saying?
गोविंद
They are thinking Modar Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti.
गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति दूध काट रही है
They are milking the cows.
किंतु देखो
But
वे
look,
लोग अब दूध काटती हैं
they are gopis are milking the
इतनी
cows
सुंदर सुरीली स्वर से
with this
कीर्तन आदि
such
करते हैं
beautiful,
और
so sweet
दूध दोहन के
voice,
समय
so sweet sound,
हार
voice
पड़ते
they are singing.
हैं और उसके ताल
And
से
then what's happening? You know, when they are milking the cows,
उस
the
समय उनके
milking the
पास में
cow,
करताल भी नहीं
even the
हारमोनियम भी
sound when the
नहीं
milk is
कुछ नहीं
dropping on the
किंतु
bucket,
देखो
also that
जब
sound, that
दूध
sound,
काटते हैं
when you know
और
when you're
उसके
pulling
धार के साथ
the
साथ ही
dhar,
साथ
you know
कीर्तन
when
करते
they
हैं
are
तो
doing the
जादुओं ने
kirtan,
अबोहने
they
ने
are doing the
मतन प्रलेप
kirtan with the
यद्यपि
sound
घर
of
में
the milking
गोबर
of the
आदि
cow.
लेकर जो लिपते हैं
Even when
उसमें
they
देखो
cover their
हमें घर
houses
में
with the
गोबर
cows gobar,
मिट्टी और
gobar is
गोबर के
cow's
मिला करके
manure.
प्रलेप करते हैं
They you know
उस
they
समय क्या कहते हैं
cover the
गोविंद
house with it.
दामोदर माधव
Again, what are
यहाँ
they
पर छोटे
singing? They
छोटे
are
बच्चे
singing
जब रोते हैं
Govinda Damodar.
गोद में
Even
लेते
when
हैं
the children
अपने
are crying, when they
थपथपाते हैं क्या बोलते हैं
when they
मधु
put their kids
गोविंद
on their lap
दामोदर
and they are
माधवेति
in the child, they are thinking, they are singing Govinda Damodar Madhava Deti.
गोविंद दामोदर
Madhaveti Govinda Damodar Madhaveti.
এবার জাদুহনে অবহনে মতন প্রলেপ প্রেঞ্ছায় ছনাটু রুদিত ছনমা জনাদু গায়ন্তি চ অনুরক্ত ধিয় সুরকণ্ঠ धन्ना ब्रजस्त्रिय गुरुक्रम चित्त जान और वे लोग जब ऐसे सुंदर कृष्ण के गोविंद के नाम
Even this beautiful, they are doing kirtan of this beautiful Krishna's name. What happens to their heart? Their hearts are melted and they have tears in their eyes.
इसलिए कहा जाता है ब्रजवासी
That is, who do you call them? Do you call them Brajavasi, the residents of Braj?
ब्रजवासी जो उसके दो गुण होता है
These two qualities in Braj gone.
कृष्ण में अभिष्ट हो जाता है
They are totally for the happiness of Krishna.
आदि कीर्तन करते रहते
And secondly, they are doing kirtan with
परम
it.
अभिष्टता भवित तम तो भवित उसा रागात्मिका करता
They are called Raga Atmita. Those that bhav, that mood that Brajvasis have, and if we listen to those moods, then what happens? We get that greed to have that bhav in our heart. So that what we do, then we take the shelter of that Brajvasi. That is called Raganuga Bhakta. Raga Atmika means somebody who is got Raga Raga for Krishna in their heart. But when you are in a Brajvasi who is Raga Atmika, that is called Raganuga Atma. That is means that you are taking the shelter, a shelter of a Brajvasi, and behind them you are doing your bhajan. That is called Raga Atmik, Raga Nuga Bhajan. Raga Nuga Bhajan. That means you are doing the bhajan on the shelter of a Brajvasi.
भक्ति का समुद्र सिंधु में
In Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rishana Sindhu mein said
64 प्रकार की भक्ति के अंग
there are
पालन करना पड़ेगा
64 limbs of bhakti which we have to follow.
आदु
Shelter of a guru, take diksha from a guru and do serve Gurudev.
64 प्रकार भक्ति के अंग में पहले क्या है?
What is the first limb of the bhakti? First limb is that we have to surrender to the lotus feet of Gurudev and take his shelter. And then we take diksha, mantra in diksha. Siksha means also the sastra gyan we have to get from the Gurudev. And then also we have to do Vishram Seva to Gurudev. Unconditional Gurudev Seva. And in Gurudev, we have to, with niskap, means unconditionally, with pure heart, we have to serve the Guru. Because without Gurudev Seva, we cannot move forward. You have to serve Gurudev. These two types of Gurudev Seva. One is Vapu Seva and one is Vani. Dono Seva are very good. There is no, one is not lesser than the other Seva. They both Sevas are very good. But still Prabhupada is saying higher than Vapu Seva. What does Vani Seva means? That you know, you want to do the prachar of all the Shastra Gyan in the world. That is called Brihad Madandra Seva. When you play kirtan, when you do mridanga, you are playing the kirtan, then the sound probably just go by 5 miles or 5 meters. But the books like Bhagavad, Shastras, the books like Bhagavad, that prachar, you know, when you do Vani prachar, all these books are distributed throughout the world. So that is prachar around the world. That is called Vani Seva. So what is the Bhaktan? Raga Nuga Seva. I will speak a little bit about it. How do we worship the Lord? There's two types of worship in the Lord. One is Mantramayi Upasana and one Mantramayi and Saraswati Upasana. Saraswati Upat is Uttam Bhagavat, they are remembering the 8 Ashtakalya Leela of Radha and Krishna. They are remembering the Ashtakalya Leela. That is called Saraswati Upasana. Only Uttam Bhagavat can do that. And the sadhan bhajan for the bhakta is called Mantramayi Upasana. What is the meaning of the Mantramayi Upasana is with every mantra you remember the every sloka or every mantra. And so for example, devotees who got a Gopal mantra from the Gurudev, so there is Gopi Vallabha. I will not go define, but in that mantra, Gopal mantra, there is 3 different types of bhav there. Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. According to your ruchi, you know, the ruchi you have, if you are Sakhya, that's how you should chant that mantra. So if you have a Sakhya rasa, then when you chant that mantra, then you will remember and you will listen to Sakhya Katha. And if you have Vatsalya, then you will listen to Vatsalya Kathas. And if you have Madhurya rasa in your mood, then you will listen to Madhurya and remember the Madhurya. Even now, the next month is Kartik month is coming and the Damodar Mass is coming, the Damodar month is coming. What will we do in that month? We will do Mantra Upasana, Damodar Astakam. We will do a part of Damodar Astakam. and then
पाठ होना चाहिए।
and we will.
दो प्रकार के दामोदर, एक
There's
राधा
two
दामोदर और
Damodars. One is Radha Damodar
यशोदा दामोदर।
and one is Jashoda Damodar.
साधारण रूप में श्रीमद् भागवत में
Even in Sadhan, in the
यशोदा दामोदर के कथा सब लोग जानते हैं, जिसे
everybody knows the katha of Jashoda Damodar.
गोस्वामी ने राधा दामोदर की कथा भी वर्णन किया है।
But also the Goswamis have also given us the Radha Damodar katha.
की कथा भी हुई है, वो माधुर्य रस की कथा।
That is Radha Damodar katha is a Madhurya katha.
यशोदा दामोदर की
And the Jashoda, Srimad Bhagavatam, the Jashoda Damodar katha is a Vatsalya.
पद्म पुराण में
Even in Padma Purana, Satya Bhumi Rishi have said,
सचिदानंद रूपम आकाशकुंडलम गोकुले विराजमान जसोदाभियोलु अलाब्धापमानं वरामृष्टमातं तत वृद्धरूपा रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं जुगमामृजान्तं
weeping instantly, he rubs his eyes with his two lotus hands. His eyes are filled with fear. He takes heavy breaths again and again. That causes the pearls and other ornaments around his neck, which is marked by 3 gracefully curving lines, to tremble. I offer pranam by his mother's Vatsalya Bhakti. I worship the Supreme Controller, whose form is eternal, full of knowledge and bliss. Upon his cheeks, Makara-shaped earrings are swinging, and he shines more brilliantly in the Gokul. Running away from the grinding motor is in a great fear of Mother Jashoda. He was ultimately caught from behind. This is remembering the Damodar Katha. Sukdev Goswami recited this katha to Parikshit Maharaj. So even similarly, like if you listen to Madhurya Katha, then what happened? That bhav manifests in your heart. Like how Jashoda mood, how is she serving Gopal? Brahma, Shiv and Lakshmi, they are not even qualified. What did Mother Jashoda do? She tied the Bal Gopal. She tied Gopal because of the Vatsalya Bhav. Even today, Lakshmi Devi, who is the consort in Belvan, austerities. Why is she doing the austerities? Because she wants to take part in the Ras Leela of Krishna. Brahmaji is also doing so much austerities. Still he didn't achieve that. Even Shivji is not qualified. But Mother Jashoda, how can she easily tie Gopal? Because why? How is Mother Jashoda? If Jashoda thinks that Mother is Gopal is a Bhagwan, then and she tied the Gopal with a rope, but every time she tied the 2 fingers, she was always short of 2 fingers to tie with the rope. And then Mother Jashoda, like she was after him and she was sweating. That means she said, you cannot tie. So Jashoda Mai said, I gave birth to Gopal. How can I not tie him?
माँ जसोदा के इस प्रकार उत्कंठा देख
this
करके
utkanta, this eagerness that Jashoda Maya had, that how, why should I not be able to tie Gopal? Because I am the one who's given birth to Gopal.
गुरुदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Then,
कहते हैं,
then Gurudev
माधव के
Swami
इस
said,
प्रकार
because
परिश्रम देख करके ब्रह्मा से लक्ष्मी आदि की जो संभव नहीं,
Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva and Lakshmi heaven are qualified
बाल गोपाल को बंद कर
to tie Bhagwan. But what did Mother Jashoda do? She tied Gopal. To try Gopal. Why? With her Vatsalya
आज
Bhav.
तक भी लक्ष्मी देवी
Even today, in Lakshmi Devi in Vrindavan,
बेल वन में
she's performing, in Belvan, she's performing austerities
केवल कृष्ण की
to
राजला में प्रवेश करने के लिए।
to participate in the Ras Leela of Krishna.
ब्रह्मा जी कितने तपस्या आदि की,
Even Brahmaji is doing so much
तथापि
tapasya.
प्राप्ति नहीं,
Still, he didn't even
शिव जी भी
get.
संभव नहीं।
Even Shivji didn't get that qualification. But look at Mother Jashoda, that she could tie Krishna.
ये वात्सल्य भाव के द्वारा
Why can Mother Jashoda, with the Vatsalya Bhav, she was able to tie Gopal?
ईश्वर तत्व विचार करें,
If you look at, if you think of the Ishwar, if she tied Gopal,
पैस की,
she
किंतु हर समय
every time she tried to tie Gopal, every time she was short of 2 fingers. The rope was short of 2 fingers. And she couldn't tie. And then she started to sweat.
और मां जसोदा ने क्या
The
की,
sweat was
मैं बांध करके
dripping from her face.
गोपियां दूसरी गोपियां उपहास करने लगी।
And then she was like determined that how am I going to,
बंधन नहीं है,
I am going to, she was so determined that I'm going to tie Gopal. But the gopis are saying that, Are, he's not meant to be tied. So how can you tie him? But Jashoda Mai said, Are, I gave able to tie him.
उत्कंठा
Because the utkanta, the stimulus, the eagerness that Krishna, Jashoda had, that I have to and I must tie Krishna,
कृपासित सब
then
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कहते हैं,
Sukadeva Goswami is saying,
परिश्रम
see this parisam, this
स्वयं कृष्ण
Krishna,
बंधन स्वीकार कर
then Krishna accepted the tie, to tie the rope.
रस्सी के द्वारा,
So how did the mother tie the rope? With a rassi, with a rope. No Bhagwan in the rope.
विविध रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं।
Yeah, Bhagwan is in the rope.
विदस्तत्तं जज गणमाद्यम ब्रह्मेति परमात्मति भगवान की शब्द थे। एक ही भगवान 3 स्वरूपे प्रकाशित हुए।
One Bhagwan is in every roop, everywhere. Groups. Brahma Swarup, Paramatma and Bhagwan. And Bhagwan Swarup. So there is 3 Swarup of Bhagwan.
अंगकांत के छठा कहा जाता है। उसके
The Jyoti is the effulgence from his body.
माना जाता है। और परमात्मा रूप
Or
में
where is the Paramatma roop? And Paramatma is in every living entity's soul. Where there is not a single place where Paramatma is not there.
भगवान
Everywhere Bhagwan is, in the form of Paramatma, he is everywhere.
ऐसी कोई वस्तु नहीं है
There is not a one thing that where Bhagwan is not
बार
there.
रामानुजाचार्य शिष्य के बोले
One day Ramanuja's Acharya Sishya said,
और ऐसे स्थान में जाओ कोई
take this laddu, go to a place where go and eat this laddu where nobody can see you.
रामानुजाचार्य ढूंढने लगे बाबा
And then
कहाँ पर बैठे हैं?
Ramanuja Acharya went and said,
और साथ
Sishya,
में लड्डू है, रो रहे हैं।
and he had laddu and he had tears in his eyes and he was crying. And so Ramanuja Acharya asked, he said, Beta, why are you crying? So he said, yeah,
आपने कहा ये
but
लड्डू
you
खाओ,
told
कोई ना
me
देखे।
that go and eat this
आपने
laddu
नहीं बताया
to follow your instruction. You gave me instruction that go and eat this laddu where nobody can see you.
भगवान परमात्मा के रूप में
But
साक्षी रूप में रहते हैं, साक्षी
but yes, but Paramatma, Bhagwan is living in your heart as a witness.
ये देह रूप है, इसमें दो
So there's like a tree, there's two branches. There's two branches on a tree,
पर्दा है।
and there's in the middle there's a curtain. On one side, Paramatma, and one side is Jiva, Atma. And Paramatma cannot see Jiva Atma, and Jiva Atma cannot see Paramatma.
दरवाजा बंद करके आप कुछ भी करें,
But you can shut the door, but Paramatma can see the Jivas, yeah? So even if you shut the door,
जहाँ जहाँ आप चलते हैं
where Bhagwan is, wherever you go, Bhagwan is following you. He is coming with you at the same time. So you are not alone. Your beloved Bhagwan is with you.
किंतु वो
You are not alone.
हमारे अभिज्ञात हो, उसे हम जानते नहीं।
But we don't know. Because why? Because of our ignorance. We don't know who Bhagwan is.
भांति मेरी सदा सर्वदा चलते रहते हैं, जैसे छाया और काया
Like when you are walking, the shadow of your body is following you, right?
चलते कि नहीं?
You stop and the shadow is always following you. So similarly,
परमात्मा रूप में
Bhagwan in Paramatma form is always with you.
देव आपने कहा
Gurudev, you said, so the Gurudev said, the Shishya said, hey Gurudev, you told me to eat this laddu where nobody, but I'm thinking, but Bhagwan is there, so how can I eat this laddu where nobody can see me? Because Bhagwan is there everywhere.
रामानुजाचार्य ने कहा
So Ramanuja Acharya said, beta,
तुम ही जो यथार्थ
You are-
है,
you are my true disciple.
ये विश्वास होना चाहिए।
This is the Vishwas, this is the faith you have to have. That you have faith in me. You have faith in my words.
गुरु भगवान हमारे पास ही है।
Guru and Bhagwan is with us.
सुना देता
I'll tell you another katha.
शिष्य जो है गुरु
There was one Shishya.
दिन तक सेवा किया।
He was serving his Gurudev.
गुरुदेव 90 साल हो गए।
Gurudev was 90 years.
90 साल हो
He was 90 years.
गए। एक दिन
One day,
सब दोनों बैठ-
disciple and Guru was sitting.
मेरे मन में एक शंका है।
So
गुरुदेव ने कहा बेटा कहो।
Shishya said, I have one doubt in my heart, in my mind.
अरे गुरुदेव
Gurudev, he said, Gurudev,
वृद्ध हो गए।
you are so old now.
लग रहे हैं जैसे पक्का
No, Hussein,
थोड़ी सी हवा झूठ
you know, it's like, when there is a ripe fruit in the tree
बातें सब
and it's hanging on, and if there is a strong wind, then what would happen to the fruit? That fruit would fall down.
इसमें मेरे मन में
That's why I have this doubt in my mind.
इसके सहारे में कैसे
I'm feeling like when you leave this world, then what will happen to me? Whose shelter can I? Who will support me?
मैं तो आपकी सेवा किया।
I've served no one else other than you,
चले जाओ
and you leave this world,
तो मैं किसके शरण में
then whose shelter can I take?
क्या करूं?
Then what shall I do?
शिष्य के इस प्रकार कातर वाक्य सुनकर के
Shishya said,
गुरुदेव ने शिष्य के बोला बेटा
Gurudev said to Shishya, beta,
तब तो सुनो पहले,
first listen.
मैं तुम्हारे साथ में सब एक दिन इसको समझोगे।
One day you will understand.
हैं? मैं तुम्हारे सुख में दुख में
In your suffering, in your happiness,
सब समय मैं तुम्हारे साथ।
I am always with you.
यह करके समाप्त हो गया कथा।
Then he finished the
इसके
katha.
बाद कुछ दिनों के बाद
Then after a few days,
वो गुरुदेव
Gurudev,
चले गए।
he left the body. He left very pain. It was very painful for Shishya.
शिष्य ने क्या की,
What did the Shishya do?
अकेला ही थे,
He was alone.
चलो हम कुछ काम करते हैं, वो बिजनेस करना शुरू किया।
Chalo, let me start some business. So he started business.
नित्य प्रत्यह गुरु सेवा आदि जैसे मंत्र आदि जप,
And he was serving his mantras and serving Gurudev. He was also serving Gurudev in his Vigraha form.
देखो ये संसार में होता है, जब
In this material world, when you have money,
सब लोग इकट्ठा हो जाता है।
everybody will be close to you. Then everybody will say, how are you?
Is it true or not?
Isn't that true?
सब कहेंगे हम
Everyone will say, how are you? How are you when you have money?
पीछे बगल में अगल में बगल में
Everywhere, from your side, on your side, left, everyone will say,
आप निर्धन हो जाओगे।
your money. But when you,
एक एक करके पक्षी के भांति
when everybody will be around you, but when you don't have anything, then what will happen? Slowly, one by one, all these, everyone who's around you, they will leave you. It's like the birds, when the birds leave a tree, they fly away slowly like that. Also, everybody will also leave you when you have no money or when you are suffering.
फल नहीं आते,
So when there is rain,
जाते हैं।
it was raining.
वो पक्षी क्या करते हैं,
When it's raining and there is no fruit in the tree, then what do the birds do? The birds leave that part of the forest.
शिष्य के
So Shishya, the disciple, is in a material world.
समय नहीं रुकते, पैसा कभी आता है कभी
Jata hai. So what happens in this material? Sometimes the money comes to you and sometimes the money goes. So what did he do? He was doing this business.
सारे लोग उनके एक एक करके छोड़ कर चले गए।
So the business also went bankrupt. He didn't have any money left.
जैसे आजकल लॉकडाउन
So like for example at the moment, we got locked down, so many businesses have closed down.
बेचारा क्या करे,
Then what will he do, Bichara? What will he do?
सब लोग चले गए।
Everybody also left him.
एक दिन मनी मनी विचार करने,
Then and
देव ने मुझे कहा था,
Gurudev told me,
बेटा
Beta,
मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ,
I'm always with you.
चलो।
Chalo, let's see.
एक दिन क्या कि
One day,
मन मन चिंतन करने लगे,
in his mind, he was thinking, Arey, I am not having this feeling that Gurudev is with me.
हो ये मैं अकेला हूँ,
Then he was thinking, I'm feeling as if I'm alone.
कहाँ
Where is Gurudev? Speaking and having this feeling that Gurudev is with me is another thing.
ऐसे विचार,
So Gurudev thought,
तो सो गए,
Gurudev, he was thinking like that,
जब
and he slept down, he went to sleep. And then Gurudev came in his dream. So Gurudev said, why are you thinking that I'm not with you?
सुनो,
So no, he said, listen, I am with you.
बोले कैसे समझे,
Then how will you understand me?
प्रातः काल में
How will you realize that?
मॉर्निंग वॉक,
So in the morning, when you go for the morning walk,
देखना तुम्हारे चरण के साथ ही साथ
then you have a look. Do you see my also charan? My feet will be also with you.
मॉर्निंग वॉक करते करते देखा कि पीछे
So in the morning, he went for a walk and he looked behind and he thought, he saw his two imprints of his 2 feet and also the prints of his Gurudev's print. So he said, Gurudev said, I'm with you. You see, you have a look.
इसके
Next time.
पश्चात वो बिजनेस भी शुरू कर दिया,
So he realized, okay, Gurudev is with me. Then again he started the business.
फिर दोबारा चलने लगे,
The second, again the business started to be success.
अब लॉकडाउन चल रहे हैं, इसमें जब खुल जाते हैं
And when the lockdown opens up, then again the business is open.
चलने लगे,
Then the flights will start. Everything will go back to normal. So he started to think.
में है कि नहीं,
So again he started to think, oh, is Gurudev with me or not?
देखा क्या समुद्र के तट पर गए
So the next day he went for his walk by the beach,
और अपना
by the sea, by the beach. Then
गया, गुरुदेव मेरे साथ है,
so he had this mind. He didn't have any doubt.
जो है नीचे हो जाता है, अब
So
चलते ही रहता है,
so up down, like when his business was up, when the business was down, he was feeling me. But when now the business is up,
डाउन हो जाता है,
then
ये नियम होता है,
business goes up and down. So when the business was up, then he realized, oh, Gurudev is with me. So chanchal, restless. Gurudev is sometimes up, sometimes the business is down.
एक स्थान में नहीं रहती है,
Chanchala Lakshmi is Chanchala. Lakshmi doesn't stay in one place. It will not stay in your pocket.
कभी जेब में पैसा भरा रहेगा, कभी
Even-
जेब बिल्कुल
empty. Sometimes you'll have a full pocket and sometimes you'll have an empty. That's why it's called Chanchala. It's restless.
एक नाम है क्या?
What is the name of the Lakshmi? Is Chanchala Lakshmi.
तो फिर उनके अभी आइए उनके मन में एक भावना है।
So he was feeling.
उनके सारे मित्र लोग चले गए, तो उनके मन में बहुत दुख हुआ।
So he was suffering. So he was thinking, is Gurudev with me or not?
फिर वो विचार करके समुद्र के तट पर
Then again he went to the beach to go for his walk.
दो ही चरण चिन्ह थे और चरण चिन्ह
Then he saw that, oh, it's only my 2 footprints on the beach. I cannot see my Gurudev's 2 feet.
हमारे साथ में हूँ।
But then Gurudev told me that I am with you.
मन में बहुत दुख हुआ।
So one day in his mind he had so much dukh. Then again when he went to sleep he was thinking of that in his mind, that is Gurudev with me. So again Gurudev came in his dream
हमारे साथ में हूँ।
and Gurudev said, I am with you.
कहने लगे, गुरुदेव मैं तो आपके चरण चिन्ह नहीं देखा।
But then he said, but I didn't see your footprints when I went on the beach.
गुरुदेव ने कहा, सुनो,
Gurudev said, listen,
मैं तुम्हारे साथ में हूँ,
I am with you.
और आपके चरण चिन्ह तो मैं नहीं देखा।
But I didn't see your Charanchin.
गुरुदेव उसके उदाहरण
But so Gurudev said, I didn't see your Charanchin. I didn't see your footprints. So he gave a udhar, he gave an example. Like he said that a mother has got a baby.
तो माँ छोटा बच्चे के चरण चिन्ह रहेगा नहीं रहेगा।
So what will mother do? What will mother?
बेटा क्या करेगा? मैया मैं नहीं चल सकती।
So if the mother is walking, Mom, I cannot walk. I'm tired now. So what will mother do? Mother will
गुरुदेव कहने लगे, बेटा
carry him.
वास्तव रूप में सुनो।
And then what is the mother's? Then mother is walking.
वो क्या था? मेरा ही।
Actually, the footprints that you saw on the beach were not yours. They were mine.
तुम सोचते हो तुम्हारे लिए।
You are thinking they were your footprints. Just like a mother was carrying the child she was carrying the child,
मेरे गोद में देखो।
and similarly, that's why it's my footprints.
गुरु और भगवान
So Guru and Bhagwan, is always with you.
जाता है।
That's why he says,
तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे,
तू अकेला नहीं,
राम तेरा
प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में है. You are not alone. Bhagwan Ram is always with you.
इस कथा को मैं वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा उसमें आ जाइए। भगवान परमात्मा के रूप में सर्वत्र है।
Acha, so Bhagwan is also, that is the said in Paramatma Roop. Paramatma Roop is always with you. So when Jashoda Maya tied the Gopal with rope, then can you not say, is the Gopal inside and outside the rope?
इसको प्रमाण कैसे करेंगे?
So how can you prove that?
इस रस्सी के बांधा,
With this Rasi, with the rope,
रस्सी के अंदर बाहर में भगवान है कि नहीं?
now can you say that in that rope is Bhagwan inside or outside? Isn't the Bhagwan outside or inside in the rope? But we cannot see.
सर्वत्र
But really, Bhagwan is.
यथा पंचभूति को, जिस प्रकार मिट्टी जल अग्नि वायु
Just like the 5 elements, mud, water,
ये पंचतत्व
sky,
सर्वत्र रहती है।
air.
भगवान कहते हैं
In those 5 elements, Bhagwan is there. So Bhagwan is everywhere.
कहाँ भगवान? वहीं
In the 5 elements, Bhagwan is there. Tell us where Bhagwan is not there.
मैं सर्वत्र परमात्मा रूप में रहता हूँ।
I stay as Paramatma Roop in everyone. How did Mother Jashoda tie the Gopal with the Rishi, with the rope?
वात्सल्य प्रेम के द्वारा ही भगवान के बंधा जाता है।
Jashoda Ma tied Bhagwan with a prem love, with a love devotion. One is Vidhi Marg and one is Rag Marg. Vidhi Marg Buddhi, Ishwarya Buddhi. In the Rag Buddhi will take you towards Vrindavan. These two paths. To attain Bhagwan, there is two paths. There's two ways. One is Vidhi Marg. If you just follow the Vidhi Marg, then where will you get to? You can get up to Vaikunt. But also following with Vidhi Marg and also along the side, if you have Anurag with Krishna and under the shelter of associates of Krishna, then it will take you to Rag Marg, where it will take you to Golak. And that also with Prem, with Vraj Prem. Now, like Subal Sakha. He was hugging Krishna and he embarrassed Krishna and he was sitting on his shoulder. Subal and Subal Sakha, sometimes they are climbing on his shoulder. This is not possible outside Vraj. This is a friendship. Even Ramchandra is, but you don't have this, even to give you even the remnants, that's not even, but Subal Sakha and Subal, they are getting the remnants of Krishna. But with Ram, you cannot sit on his shoulder. Even if you are friends with Ram, you cannot sit on his shoulder or also eat his remnants from his mouth. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sakhas, how they can sit on the Krishna's shoulder. And they can also swear at Krishna. But this is not possible outside Vraj. This is not there outside Vraj. Even the mother Jashoda is, my mother, Krishna is saying, Mother Jashoda is treating me like her son, and serving me like a son, and loving. And this is Vatsalya Bhav. And what is the Madhurya Bhav? The gopis. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Das Kaviram is saying, gopis with the man, they have with man, and they are saying to Krishna, gopis are saying to Krishna, Krishna, you are a chor, you are a thief, you are a lumpard. This is not, you cannot say Braj. Can somebody tell Ramchandra, you are chor, you are a thief? Because Ramchandra is Madhya. Vachan na jaye. He will keep his vow. He will keep his vow even if his life, even if he loses his life. But Krishna is called Leela Purushottam with gopis. Leela, all the Leelas are there. Krishna's Leela. Which is the topmost Leela is the Ras Leela. And which Leela? Also Parakya Leela. This Parakya Gopi Bhav is not outside birth. It's not there outside birth. It's only in only Vraj. The topmost place is called The Madanakhya Mahabhav is the topmost bhav. You have the pranali of sadhus, Sakti praise. There are many, even the after prem also Anurag, Madan, Mohan, Madanakhya.
ये मदनाख्य महाभाव
This Madanakha Mahabhav is only in Radharani.
मदनाख्य महाभाव
Madanakya Mahabhav,
प्रकाश
the Prakash is only
एकमात्र श्रीमती राधा
is only in Srimati Radharani.
वही राधा जी को मदनाख्य महाभाव
In
में
this
आस्वादन
Radha
करने
Mas
के लिए
Madanakha
कृष्ण
Mahabhav,
प्राप्त मिला। कृष्ण के रूप में संभव नहीं हुआ
Krishna also cannot even Madanakha
वही
Mahabhav.
आस्वादन करने के लिए राधा जी
So
के
what did
भाव और
Krishna do?
कांति के लिए- भाव और कांति को लेकर के
So Krishna
गौरांग के रूप में प्रकट हुए।
Krishna stole this Kanti, complexion and the bhav of Radhika and came as and came as
नवद्वीप गौर रूप
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a Gaur
राधे के भाव और कांति
Swarup.
के लेकर के और कृष्ण नवद्वीप
And
धाम
this
में
Kanti, this
गौरांग के रूप
complexion
में
of
प्रकट हुए।
he took Radharani's Gauranga. Who is this Gauranga? Gauranga is Krishna himself.
ये गौरांग के रूप में आने की तात्पर्य
He,
क्या है?
what was the reason? Why did he come in the Gauranga
इच्छा पूर्ति करने के लिए। श्री राधा
avatar?
महिमा कृदुसु बनियो।
For 3 reasons.
कृदुसु मोदियो। शोकंच मत उन्नत कृदुसु वेदि लोगा। तद भावट समझन सूचि गर्भ सिंधु हरि।
Oh, sorry, I don't know what the problem is.
ये राधा जी के जो प्रेम जो सर्वोत्तम वो है क्या थी?
The prem, the love that Radhaji has
प्रेम की
is
गरिमा
what?
गरिमा समझो सर्वोत्तमता जो
Sarvatam. What is this deep love that Radharani has?
शब्दों जन मधुरिमा कृदुसु मोदियो। कृष्ण विचार कर मेरे सौंदर्य माधुर्य क्या है?
Krishna
ये
is
सदा
thinking
सर्वदा
that
राधा
what
जी
the beauty that I have, that Radhaji.
Good.
Yeah. Where did I stop?
एकमात्र श्रीमती राधा में वही राधा जी को मदना को महाभाव प्रेम
That-
आस्वादन करने के लिए कृष्ण तड़प
To
निकला।
taste this Radharani's Madanamaka Maha.
फिर कृष्ण ने क्या कि
What did
वही रस
Krishna
आस्वादन
wanted to
करने के
taste
लिए
this?
राधा जी के भाव और
So
कांति
what
के
did
लिए
Krishna do? Krishna
भाव और
stole
कांति को लेकर के
Radharani's
गौरांग के रूप में प्रकट हुए।
bhav and Kanti, her complexion. He came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauranga.
नवद्वीपे गौर रूप धरी।
And in Gauranga, he came in the Gauranga roop in Navadip.
और कृष्ण
He
नवद्वीप धाम
came
में
with Radharani's
गौरांग के रूप में
Kanti and Bhav. And he came as Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu.
कृष्ण है। अंतर
He is
कृष्ण,
Krishna
बहिर्
himself.
गौर। ये गौरांग के रूप में आने की
Inside
तात्पर्य क्या है?
Krishna,
किस लिए आए?
outside Gauranga. Why did he
तीन
come?
वांछा पूर्ति करने के लिए।
There are 3 reasons why Krishna came as Gauranga.
शोकंच मत उन्नत कृदुसु वेदि लोगा। सिंधु हरि। ये राधा जी के जो प्रेम के सर्वोत्तम वो है क्या?
The prem, that love that Radharani has, that the depth of the prem that Radharani has, what is that?
शब्दों जन मधुरिमा कृदुसु मोदियो। कृष्ण विचार कर मेरे सौंदर्य माधुर्य क्या है?
Krishna is thinking
ये सदा सर्वदा
that the beauty that I have, how beautiful I am, that how is Radharani tasting me? What is she seeing? How she's
ये
tasting the
मेरे
beauty.
सौंदर्य मधुरिमा के आस्वादन करे राधा के हृदय में कौन सा है?
And then when she's tasting relishing my beauty, what bhav she has in her heart, that I want to taste this.
भाव और कांति लेकर
So Krishna comes,
हमें गौरांग के रूप में प्रकट हुए।
Krishna steals Radharani's bhav and her complexion,
कृष्ण
she's-
अवतीर्ण हुए
and he comes as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gauranga in Navadip.
वो गौरांग स्वरूप
Who is this Gauranga Gaurap?
वो रस को आस्वादन करे।
So he comes in the form, he comes in the avatar as Gauranga Roop, and he can taste this Radharani's, and he's relishing the Radharani's bhav.
बात वर्णन करते हैं
Goswami Goswami is saying,
अनार्पित चरिंचिरा
Anarparit
वरुणे अवतीर्ण कलु समार्पयत उन्नत उज्ज्वल संस भक्ति श्रियम हरि पुरुष सुंदर देवी कदम संदीपित सदा हृदय कंदे स्फुरतु भव सचिनंदन। इस श्लोक में वर्णन होते जा रहे
in this slok, Rupa Goswami is saying,
स्वयं आस्वादन करके उसके थोड़ी सी
to taste one drop,
जीवों के प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
this one drop, what he's relishing, what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is and his bhav that he's relishing, he's giving this one drop to this,
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा
to us here in this world. And how he's
नाम
giving this,
संकीर्तन के द्वारा चैतन्य महाप्रभु
how is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributing this love in the form of Sankirtan.
महावदन्नता
And what is one speciality of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Madan Maha.
नाम ने
See.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is, how is he giving this prem?
सभी
Sabiko, everyone. He is giving this prem to everyone.
अधिकार अनधिकार
Whether you are qualified or not qualified, he is not looking that.
इस अवतार में
In this avatar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is not looking whether one is qualified or one not. One is qualified or unqualified. Whoever he sees, he is giving, distributing this Krishna prem.
एक अधिकारी
Namo Mahavadanya. If you give prem to somebody who is qualified, and then you give prem to also somebody who is unqualified,
मेरे कृष्ण प्रेम प्राप्ति के लिए अधिकारी क्या है?
what is the qualification to get Krishna prem?
कृष्ण प्रेम तिनादपि
Trinadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Shnana Amadina Kirtanaya Sada Hari.
ये तो शिक्षास्त्र में तृतीय
In the third verse of Siksha Astakam, what is Mahaprabhu saying?
आ जाओ मेरे पास।
Mahaprabhu is saying, Are, come to me.
छह प्रकार के व्यक्ति काल में बता रहा
There
था।
is six
छह
type-
प्रकार के व्यक्ति
six
महाप्रभु
type
के
of-
प्रेम रूपी बाढ़ में स्नान नहीं करना चाहते,
Six type
लेना
of
नहीं चाहते।
people who will not accept this,
बाढ़ आती है, लोग
who
भागते
don't
हैं,
want Chaitanya
स्नान नहीं करना
Mahaprabhu's
चाहते,
prem.
लोग आ रहे हैं।
When Ganga is coming, Ganga is flowing at the bank.
घर में पानी आ गया,
The Ganga is come to your house.
बोले नहीं भक्त रहता, ऊपर 3 मंजिल पर चले।
So what will you do if the Ganga is coming by your lotus feet, by your feet, to have a snan? What will you do? You'll go on to your third floor of the building.
उसी प्रकार महाप्रभु
So
सभीयों के जब प्रेम प्रदान
similarly, Mahaprabhu is just like Ganga. Similarly, Mahaprabhu is distributing this love. He is not thinking who is qualified and who is not. With any discrimination, he is distributing this Krishna prem.
महाप्रभु ने क्या किया? उनके पीछे दौड़े।
Krishna, what does people who don't want this prem? What does Krishna do? Krishna, Mahaprabhu runs after behind them. One is Mayavadi.
छोड़ुआ। महाप्रभु के प्रेम
One is
ग्रहण करना नहीं चाहते।
Butcher. They don't want to.
महाप्रभु जब
They don't want Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prem.
इस कलयुग में मैं सबको प्रेम
So what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted? He said, I want to give this Krishna prem to each and everyone in this Kali Yuga.
आए।
I've come in this.
इस कलयुग के नाम क्या है?
We are here in this Kali Yuga.
धन्य कलयुग
This is a Dhanna Kali Yuga.
के जावी रे भाई
Ke Jabire Bhai.
हमारे घटे वदान क्या हुआ? धन्य कलयुग
This Kali Yuga is very wealthy, very special. Where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
प्रतिज्ञा किया
he promised
इस कलयुग में मैं
that
सभी
in
को
this
मैं
Kali
प्रेम
Yuga,
प्रदान
that I will distribute love of Krishna prem to everyone. If you don't want Krishna prem, I will still come and give it to you. Why? You have to do bhajan.
महाप्रभु ने ऐसे किया देखो
Mahaprabhu did this. He gave this distribution Krishna prem to everyone.
किंतु 6 प्रकार के व्यक्ति भक्ति
But there is 6 types of people who don't want it. They are running away.
इस कलयुग में सबको
But
मैं
then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, but I promised myself that everyone I'm going to give Krishna prem. So what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did?
इन लोगों के पीछे पीछे दौड़े
He started to run behind these 6 people who don't want Krishna prem.
दौड़ करके वो सबके चोटी पकड़ ली
And what did Mahaprabhu running behind them and got hold of the choti and forcefully gave them Krishna prem.
जय जय श्री राम
Radhe.
इसलिए महाप्रभु के जो प्रेम जो है अवदान जो वैशिष्ट
That's why this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Krishna Prem is
चैतन्य चरितामृत में दिखा
so merciful.
न भूतो न भविष्य किसी अवतार में नहीं देखा गया
In these other
Krishna ने
avatars, you
प्रेम किया।
cannot see this Krishna
कहाँ
Prem.
तक प्रेम दिया
Where, well, in Krishna gave Prem, but where? Only in Vrindavan. When Krishna was here, he gave Prem in Vrindavan.
आदि सबको प्रेम दिया
He gave Lata, he means all the creepers
वर्णलता सर्वो व्यंजन्ति पुष्प फलाढ्य
in the flowers, everyone in Braj, he gave this
कृष्ण
Prem.
जब गोचारण के लिए जाते
When Krishna used to go cow,
वृक्ष आदि क्या है?
and then all the
वर्णलता
trees,
सर्वो
what were they
व्यंजन्ति
doing?
पुष्प फलाढ्य।
The trees were,
समस्त वृक्ष आदि
all the trees,
गोविंद के चरण में
when Gopal was, Krishna was going cow herding,
उनके स्वागत करते हैं।
what were the trees doing? The trees were bowing down and welcoming him in the forest.
शिष्य जिस प्रकार
Just like similarly, when a guru comes to Shishya's house, then the Shishya bows down and puts petals of flowers and asks Gurudev,
मंदिरे स्वागतम
स्वागतम.
स्वागतम स्वागतम जैसे अभी अभी कीर्तन किया था
just now you did that kirtan.
क्या कीर्तन किया था वो?
What kirtan did you do?
Mama
Mama
mandire
Mandire
lahani मम मन मंदिरे
Nishidin.
कृष्ण मुरारी उसी प्रकार आई वृंदावन के जितने वृक्ष आदि हैं,
Then all the trees in Vrindavan, similarly in the same way, the trees in the Vrindavan, they have so much.
पुष्प फलाढ्य सुखदेव गोस्वामी वर्णन कर रहे हैं
Sukadev Goswami is saying, hey Parikshit Maharaj, you know, listen.
वृंदावन जो पधारते
When Krishna goes to cowherd and he enters the forest, the trees have so much love and mamata for Krishna. First, what they do,
अपने सुंदर सुंदर फूलों की पंखुड़े के द्वारा
that the beautiful flowers they
क्या
have,
करते हैं? कृष्ण के क्या करते हैं?
what do they do? They swagatam, they shower the flowers
वृंदावन की
to Krishna's lotus feet.
रास्ता क्या हो जाता है?
And what happens to the path that when Krishna enters that path of the forest, that path is full of the roses, the flowers.
हैं? हम तो रशिया और अमेरिका में जाते रहते
When I go to Russia or America,
हैं। जिज सफेद आ देखते देखते
you know, like the snow, when the snow falls, the white snow falls. Similarly, just like that, the trees in the same way, the trees when Krishna is entering the forest of Vrindavan, what are these flowers do?
के द्वारा कृष्ण के
Welcome karte. The Krishna, the trees with the flower petals, they are welcoming Krishna into the forest.
ना लग जाए
So why are they doing? They are thinking that Krishna should not get any hurt. There are pebbles on the road, there's thorns on the road. So the trees are thinking that Govinda is coming to us. That no, there should be no pain on lotus feet. Nothing should be.
सारे वृंदावन की
So like that they cover the path with beautiful soft petals.
और फिर कृष्ण जब आगे बढ़ते हैं
When Krishna is
तब
going
वो
forward,
वृक्ष आदि
then
डालों
what?
के डालों के द्वारा घर्षण करके
And then with the branches,
जैसे
they're touching the branches and they are like covering up. You know, like when the king goes to another kingdom and then they are welcoming that new another king from another country.
विजय करके आए
So he's come from many countries and he's come
महाराज
he's come with a victory from so many other
अपने स्वदेश में जब पदार्पण
kingdoms.
करते हैं आते हैं
How they welcome the
तब उस
king.
समय समस्त प्रजा लोग
Then
महाराज
what
को क्या
happens
करते
to
हैं?
the citizens? The citizens are welcoming the
क्या
king.
उत्सव मनाते हैं?
What do?
विजय उत्सव।
They vijay, like victorious. They have a festival of victory.
उस विजय
For the
उत्सव में
king.
क्या करते हैं? पहले क्या बजते हैं?
What is the first thing they do in that festival?
बजाते हैं। महाराज
They,
आगे।
they are blowing
महाराज
the.
पधार रहे हैं। क्या बोला? महाराज पधार रहे हैं।
They're saying welcome, hey Maharaj, come, welcome, and they are, all these musical instruments are playing.
गोविंद के दर्शन
So
करके
similarly, like when Krishna is entering the forest, the trees are also.
साधना दिखाते हैं।
The trees are also welcoming Govinda. Hey, Govinda welcoming like very nicely.
और भी आगे चलते हैं।
When
वृक्ष आदि क्या करते हैं?
when Krishna is moved
अपने
forward,
पदार्थ आदि के द्वारा
the trees are fanning him.
जिस प्रकार राज महाराज
So just similarly, when the Raj Maharaj, when the king is coming back to his all the citizens are fanning him with the
महाराज
fan.
को जैसे आह्वान आदि करते हैं। ठीक उनकी
Similarly, in
पत्ता
Vrindavan,
आदि जो है वृक्ष के
all
पत्ता
the
आदि
leaves
ऐसे
of
हवा करने लगे,
they are also leaves of the trees are fanning Krishna.
चामर डुलाने लगे, लता आदि
They're like charmer. They're doing like creepers. What are the
नृत्य
creepers
करना
doing?
शुरू कर देते हैं, चामर डुला रहे हैं।
They are like
पत्ता
they
जो
are
है
as if
पंखा
they are
की भांति हवा करने लगे
they
और
are the leaves are fanning
लता आदि जो है
and the
creepers
latas
वो
are
क्या करने लगे,
what are the
चामर
latas?
डुलाना।
The branches are doing. They're
इसके आगे
doing
जब
the
कृष्ण
chamar.
और भी जब आगे चले आते हैं, देखो
When again the Krishna moves forward into the
पुष्प आदि
forest,
आकर के कृष्ण के चरण में अपने आप आ जाते हैं, फल आदि आकर के कृष्ण
then
के
what
चरण में आ
happens to
जाते
the fruit? The fruit also, wow, they
और
come
साथ
to
ही
the
साथ
feet
वो
of
वृक्ष के
lotus feet of Krishna.
बारिश होने लगे, माने कि आंसू की धारा।
Then Asukya, like
क्योंकि
Baris,
गोविंद हमारी
it's
गृह में
raining.
आए हैं
So the trees are thinking, Govinda has
और
come
गोविंद की
into our
सेवा,
forest. How can we serve
गोविंद
him?
की दर्शन
His
करके
darshan.
वृक्ष आदि के हृदय
And
द्रवीभूत हो जाते,
the heart of the trees melt.
उससे टपक टपक करके
So that's why they have tears.
जल बिंदु धारा यानी
Like
वृक्ष के आंसू की धारा मानो।
like tears from the trees. One drop of water is
फिर
falling
कृष्ण जब
from the
आते हैं
tears.
स्वाभाविक रूप में
And then
वृक्ष
as he
के
moves forward,
डाल
the
गोविंद के आलिंगन करते हैं,
then the branches, they are alinging, like they are embarrassing Krishna. Like when two friends meet, what do? They embrace each other.
वृंदावन
This is look at the state of the trees, the Vrindavan, the trees of Vrindavan. That they are embarrassing Krishna.
भगवान ऐसे सेवा आदि देख करके प्रेम में द्रवीभूत हो जाते हैं।
And Krishna looks at all this seva and the prem, the love and affection the trees have. It melts his heart.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद ने
Sukadev Goswami is
उच्चारण
saying,
करते हैं, एक वन से दूसरे वन में
when he's doing cow herding from one forest to another forest,
वृक्ष आदि तो भी भगवान के
so why is he going from one forest to another forest? The trees in the other forest are also waiting for him.
इसलिए गोविंद क्या करते हैं?
That's why what is
वन
Govinda
एक
is
वन
doing.
से दूसरे वन,
That's why Govinda is going from one forest to another forest.
उस समय इस वन के जो वृक्ष आदि है गोविंद का आलिंगन करके रखते हैं। अरे नहीं गोविंद,
So this when he goes from one forest to another forest, the trees are embarrassing him and said, hey Krishna, don't leave us, don't leave us.
हे मित्रों, मैं अति अल्प समय में फिर आप लोग के
Then
साथ
Krishna is saying, oh my friends,
सांत्वना देते हैं।
I am promising you, I'm promising you that again I will come back to your forest.
हम लोग ना भूल जा, इसलिए क्या करते थे, हमारे टीकाकार लिखते हैं,
And Krishna is saying, Govinda, don't forget us.
क्या बोला?
So in,
बांग्ला समझ में? नामटी आमा लिखे देखो तुम्हार मनेर मंदिरे।
so
तात्पर्य क्या है?
what is it?
मनोवृक्ष कहने लगे,
The trees are saying, hey Krishna,
हमारे मन रूपी मंदिर
in
में
your heart, please
मेरे नाम
write.
करके रखो।
Please write my name in your heart.
गोचारण करते करते
Like that when he's doing cow herding from one forest to the other
थक
forest.
जाओगे, धूप में थक जाओगे,
You will get
किसी पेड़
tired
के
in
नीचे
this
जाओ,
heat. When you get tired, then you can rest, take rest
पर अपने
under
सिरहाना दे करके जब
the
विश्राम
shade of the
करोगे,
tree.
तब हम लोग के चिंतन करना।
Then when you sit under, and when you are tired
मनोपत्र में
in
हम लोग के नाम लिखे
cow
रहते हैं।
herding,
देखो
and sit under the tree, remember us, write our name in your
नींद नहीं
heart.
आए तो क्या करते हो आप?
You know what happens when you want to sleep and you cannot sleep. Then what happens? You are thinking about your life from your childhood. Every page is like turning, and all your life history is.
बिस्तर में तो सोए हुए,
You are
नींद तो नहीं आ रही।
resting, but you are thinking of your life.
चिंतन होता है।
Then you cannot
बचपन से
sleep.
लेकर के
So what you are thinking in your
from your
mind,
childhood,
you
अभी
go
तक
all the way
क्या
back
होता
to
है?
your childhood,
एक
and
दिन, एक
then
रात, एक
it's
समय
like
चिंतन होता है।
And you are remembering every life, what happened in your life, page after page.
स्कूल कॉलेज में किसके साथ के मित्र थे,
In your school,
कैसे
who is
कैसे
you,
किया,
you had your
सब
friend,
एक करके
like one by one,
मनोरूपी पत्र
page of your life, and you
ठीक
are
उसी
remembering.
प्रकार
So similarly,
वृक्ष आदि कहने लगे
the
गोविंद
trees are saying,
आपके
hey
मनोरूपी
Govinda,
पत्रों में
in your mind, in your
अपने
paper
नाम
mind,
लिख करके रखो।
you write our name in your
ये लिखा
heart.
गया, मनेर मंदिरे,
In your mind, write
तब
our
उसको देख
name.
करके क्या होता है, वो
So what is
स्मरण
it?
होता है।
Then what will happen? Then when you are
जिस प्रकार
thinking, then you will
कोई आपको
remember us.
किताब मिली, गुरुदेव की
Like
कोई
for
किताब,
example, we got Gurudev's script,
गुरुदेव की
kitab, a book.
कोई किताब ग्रंथ लिखा, वो किताब
You
आप क्या
found a
चाहते
book.
हो, गुरुदेव ये पर अपनी साइन
Then
कर
what do you say? Oh Gurudev, this is Gurudev. You write. Can you? Then we go to Gurudev and say, Gurudev,
गुरुदेव
can
ने
you
क्या
write your
लिखा,
autograph sign here?
your नाम, to your name, my heartily blessing to your
My then
ever
Gurudev
well
writes my
wisher.
heartily blessing and ever well wisher. Then he signs Gurudev.
अच्छा मानो 20 साल के बाद, how many
After
years?
20 years,
After 20 years,
after 20 years,
वो किताब को आपने जब खोला,
when you open
गुरुदेव के जो लिखा हस्तलिपि
what
जो
you've
है,
written, that Gurudev wrote with his own right, what is wrote in
और उसको देख करके आपके हृदय
in
में
his own
क्या
writing,
होता है,
what happens in your
और
heart?
एक आनंद के उल्लास होता है,
You will have some anand in your heart.
गुरुदेव की
You will remember.
कृपा कटाक्ष,
You will remember the kripa
मैं गुरुदेव
of
के साथ कई
Gurudev.
साल तो
You know, you
विदेश में
will
भ्रमण किया,
remember
देश विदेश
how
का,
you were with Gurudev.
इस
We
साल
were
गुरुदेव के साथ
traveling
बिताया,
Gurudev. Like me,
सर्वत्र भ्रमण भी किया,
you know, I've also traveled with Gurudev.
गुरुदेव जब
When Gurudev,
एक देश से दूसरे देश में
when he was going from one country to
गुरुदेव के
another
अनुगामी
country,
थे सब लोग, एक तरफ खड़े हो जाते, सभी शिष्यों के प्रति
all the
अपने
शिष्यas,
कृपा कटाक्ष के द्वारा प्रेम वितरण करते,
you know, Gurudev used to
और
give
उसमें एक
prem
ही
to
आश्चर्य
each
होता है,
and
सभी
every
शिष्य चाहते
shishya.
हैं, गुरुदेव हमारे सिर पर
And every shishya, you know, when Gurudev used to come from one country to another,
पीछे रहते,
all the
आगे
devotees,
रहते,
all his
जो आगे
disciples would
रहते,
be standing,
वो और भी
and then every disciple will go to Gurudev and say, Gurudev,
मैंने जो
can you
देखा,
please place your hand on my head?
फिर आप लोग के इधर तो गुरुदेव जी आए थे बेंगलुरु में,
When Gurudev came to Bangalore, why am I
वो
saying
जो
this?
ऑटोग्राफ जो लिखा,
Autograph, you know, when Gurudev
आज
wrote
10
that
साल बाद, 20
autograph,
साल के बाद वो किताब
after
जब आप खोला,
you
गुरुदेव
open
के
after 10
handwriting,
years and
वो
you
स्मरण
see
आ जाता है,
Gurudev's handwriting, then you remember Gurudev.
कि गुरुदेव हमारे प्रति किस प्रकार अनुग्रह प्रकाश की,
He remembered that Gurudev, how much Prakash, how
हम
much
भगवान के नहीं जानते, भगवान के अनुग्रह
we
भी
know
नहीं
what how much is done for us that we didn't even know Bhagwan
गुरुदेव की
because of
गुरुदेव की कृपा,
because of Gurudev's kripa.
जिस प्रसादाद भगवत प्रसादु जिस प्रसादान विदितयोगी ध्यान वंश जसस्त्री सन्नं वंदे गुरुश्री, जिसकी कृपा होने से
Without with Gurudev's
जस
kripa,
प्रसादाद भगवत प्रसादु,
then he has made me recognize who Bhagwan is.
वंश जसस्त्री सन्नं वंदे गुरुश्री चरणार, है कि नहीं? तो उसी प्रकार वृंदावन की वृक्ष आदि कहने लगे,
Similar,
हे गोविंद क्या करो,
the trees of the Vrindavan are saying,
ये अशोक वृक्ष है,
please
ये
write our
पीपल पेड़ है,
name.
ये बरगद के पेड़ है,
This is the
भागवत में अनेकों नाम है वृक्ष,
there is, you know, every tree's got a name.
अम्र,
Amrut, there are every tree's got a name.
वो सब वृक्ष आदि कहने लगे, गोविंद
Then these trees are saying, hey
अपने
Govinda,
मनोरूपी मंदिर में,
in your Manamanda
मनोरूपी
Mandir mein,
पत्र में
in your heart,
लिख करके
in your please in your patra, when you write our name, so when you are resting with your sakhas and you put your head on the lap of your, then
तो उस समय
at that time,
स्मरण कर लेना,
please remember us.
शास्त्र में कहा गया,
In Shastra it says,
यदि गुरु और भगवान हमें
when
स्मरण
Guru and
कर ले,
Bhagwan,
तो इस संसार से उद्धार
when
देर नहीं लगती,
you know, when the Guru remembers you and
थोड़ी सी
then
गुरु और भगवान हमें स्मरण कर ले,
even Bhagwan and Guru remember, then you have to remember, you have to realize
केवल मतलब
that
अनुष्ठानिक रह गया,
you are going to be
गुरु की कृपा जिसके ऊपर हो जाती
liberated. Whoever gets Guru's
है, वो गया,
kripa,
बाकी क्या रह गया, अनुष्ठानिक
actually Gurudev's kripa is
साधन भजन आदि जो कुछ भी कहो, वो
Whatever he said,
केवल मात्र क्या है,
sadhan bhajan,
अनुष्ठानिक मात्र
anustani.
फॉर्मेलिटी,
It's a formality.
क्योंकि जब इस गुरु की कृपा हो
But
जाता
once
है
you got Gurudev's kripa,
और क्या बाकी रह जाता
then what's left?
है? इसलिए हम लोग हर के गुरुदेव कृपा
That's why
बिंदु
we
दिया
sing.
करो ये दासे तेनापेक्षा युतिहीन अरे सकल सहने बल दिया करो निज माने प्रिया सकले सम्मान करिते सकति देहनाथ যথা যথ আরে তবে তো গাইব হরি নাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত गुरु कृपा ही केवलम
Guru kripa hi kevalam.
भगवत कृपा गुरु कृपा गुरु कृपा
Guru kripa, Bhagavan kripa is kevalam. Guru kripa. Otherwise, we don't want any other kripa. We only want Gurudev's kripa.
जिसके ऊपर गुरु कृपा हो जाए
Whoever gets Gurudev kripa
भी उनके साधन भजन ये सब क्या है
is udhar. Otherwise, sadhan bhajan is all formality.
कृपा कैसे प्राप्त करें
Then how will we get this kripa of
टीकाकार वर्णन
Guru?
कर रहे हैं ये वृक्ष आदि
So this vriksha, trees,
यहाँ लिखे देखो
are saying,
मणि मंदिर
please write my name in your mana mandir mein. In your heart.
मैंने जो कहा
What I said,
आप लोग
I will,
जो आरती और
I will try and end now.
जो
And we
प्रेम
got
किया ये
aarti.
कहाँ पर प्रेम किया
Where did this Govinda gave prem? Govinda gave this prem in Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में प्रेम
He gave this prem in Vrindavan.
सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि
But our Sachinandan Gaura Hari,
कहाँ
where did he give?
वृंदावन की नहीं
Not only give the prem in Vrindavan.
वो तो अपने वासस्थान है अपने गृह है अपने
He's-
सब लोग है सब
Yeah, that is his, his Vrindavan is all his parivar. That's his house. That's his family. That's his friends. That is mother. That's his father. That is all his. That's his family.
वृंदावन की सभी
Vrindavan, Krishna, they are all the residents of Vrindavan are Krishna's family. But what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu do?
गौरांग रूप में
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the. He gave prem to everyone outside Vrindavan, not only in Vrindavan.
वृंदावन की छोड़ करके
He
जहाँ पर
left the
चैतन्य
Vrindavan.
महाप्रभु
Other than
जहाँ पर
Vrindavan, every other place he gave Krishna prem.
प्रेम प्रदान करें कैसे अरे
कैसे?
क्योंकि भजन तो बहुत दूर की बात है
Bhajan to is very far.
बहुत दूर से जो इसको उनको दर्शन कर लिया जहाँ
Even
पर
darshan, if they took
ऐसे
darshan from very far away,
हेमान दयालु अचित्र रूप महाप्रभु के दूर से दर्शन कर ले बार
even if you take darshan of Mahaprabhu from very far away, you get Krishna
उनके
prem.
दूर से दर्शन करके महाभागवत बन गए
Even you have a
तखन केन
darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from far away, they became Mahabhagavat.
साधन भजन करने की कुछ जरूरत नहीं
Then was no necessary to do
केवल
even
महाप्रभु
sadhan
के दर्शन
bhajan.
से ही प्रेम हो जाता
Just with having darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you got Krishna prem. And there was no necessary to do sadhan bhajan.
महाप्रभु की महाबदलता और अधिकार अनधिकार की जरूरत नहीं
No, you don't even need any qualification to get Krishna
और
prem.
जो लेना भी नहीं
Mahaprabhu
चाहते, महाप्रभु से पीछे
Mahaprabhu is just discriminately, undiscriminately giving this Krishna prem. And even if you don't want Krishna prem, then what is Mahaprabhu is? Mahaprabhu is running behind, running after you.
और कौन सा प्रेम प्रदान किया सर्वोत्तम प्रेम
This is which prem? Actually, he's not giving you Vaikunt prem. He's not giving you ordinary prem. He's giving you the. He's not even giving you Ayodhya prem. He's not even giving you Mathura prem. He's giving you the topmost Vrindavan prem.
करुणा प्रचुर प्रेमधन को किसने लिया गोलोक के प्रेमधन हरि नाम संकीर्तन
Done.
गोलोक के प्रेमधन
With Harinam Sankirtan, which prem you will get? You will get the Golok Vrindavan.
उस गोलोक वृंदावन की जो प्रेम मैंने
No,
कहा,
not Ayodhya prem.
जो है मदनक को महाभाग
This prem is Madanaka Mahabhav.
जिसको कहते हैं,
Chingari means one drop of Madan Mahatma. That prem is
अनर्पित चरिंग चिरात करुणा
given out.
उपयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसं सभक्ति हरि ही पुलट सुंदर ज्योति कदम संदेर पिता सदा हृदय कमदरी स्फुरतु भ सचिन ये महाप्रभु के विशेष महाबदन
This is the speciality of Mahaprabhu.
नहीं प्रकट होते
If Mahaprabhu didn't come in this world, then who will understand this Radharani's topmost prem?
कहते हैं ना दिखाई है यदि गौरंग नहीं तो कवि की होई तो কেমনে ধরিতাম দে যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম দে। मैं उसका आखिर में थोड़ा लगा दूं यदि नारायण नहीं तो
Gurudev is saying if Narayan Goswami Maharaj was not here,
केमने धरिताम दे
then who
यदि
would know
नारायण
about
नहीं तो
prem?
नारायण गोस्वामी गुरुदेव जी
When if Gurudev was not here, then who will know about Radha Prem? Who would have shown this Prem of Radharani?
जिन्होंने ऐसे सुंदर रस माधुर्य के जगत में प्रचार किया।
How much prachar he
केवल
did.
भागवत
Such,
तो नहीं,
not only Bhagavad, he
भारत
gave
के बाहर विदेश में
even not only in Bharat, not only in India, he gave this, he did this prachar, Radha Prem around the world.
उज्जवल मुनि ग्रंथ को जो प्रकाश
If you Ujjwal Nil, yes, he wrote, he translated Ujjwal Nilmani.
गुरुदेव ने
Up to now, nobody did publish this book, but Gurudev written this
भले
book.
बाहर के लोग कुछ भी करें,
Whatever other people say outside,
वो लोग तो लिखे हैं सब,
they are speaking according to their qualification.
किंतु गुरुदेव ने क्या किया?
But what did Gurudev do?
है, उस ग्रंथ के प्रकाश कराया
He,
जिसमें राधा जी की सर्वोत्तम
in this Granth,
माधुर्य
the topmost Radharani's
जगत जीव के
Prem is there.
कुछ लोग प्रतिवाद किया,
Some people say,
ऐसे ग्रंथ क्यों प्रकाश?
why did he do this such a
अधिकार
Granth?
तो
Why
कुछ
did
है,
he publish
अपनी
this
का
Granth?
कोई अधिकार ही नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कह सकते।
You cannot say
कोई
that
नहीं
you
कह
are not,
सकते, जब
you
पृथ्वी
cannot
में
say
महाभागवत कोई नहीं।
that
ये
you
पृथ्वी
are not
टिके हुए
qualified.
महाभागवत के चरण धूल के द्वारा। जिस दिन महाभागवत नहीं रहेगा, ये पृथ्वी क्या हो जाएगा?
If there is no Bhagavad in Mahabhagavad in this Prithvi, in this earth, then the earth won't be here.
तो इसको
It will
अधिकारी
be
कोई नहीं,
destroyed.
ये नहीं कह सकते।
You cannot say that there is nobody qualified for this
इसमें
Granth.
कैसे भजन कर रहे हैं क्या पता है?
How do you know what bhajan
वो
they are doing?
अधिकारी किस प्रकार है?
How do you know how one is, what qualification one has?
इसलिए गुरुदेव
That's why Gurudev,
निर्भीक होकर के, निडर होकर के,
without,
निर्भीक होकर के, निडर होकर के,
without, so Gurudev,
जगत में प्रकाश
he published this
उज्जवल
book.
जैसे ग्रंथ।
Like Ujjwal Nilmani is the topmost
भक्ति
book.
रसामृत सिंधु
Amrita Sindhu.
है? और ये सब ग्रंथ के जगत में
Then he published all these
और
topmost book.
सर्वत्र जो है राधा प्रेम की कथा सुने।
And he also gave Radha Prem Katha.
गुरुदेव की शादी
I've always traveled with Gurudev. I went to England with him,
सब
Australia.
जगह में गुरुदेव के साथ भ्रमण किया।
I traveled with Gurudev in many countries with him.
गुरुदेव ने क्या किया?
What did Gurudev do?
पहली बड़ी मार के प्रहलाद चरित्र,
First he will give Prahlad Charitra, Amrish Maharaj Katha, Dhruv Katha.
ज्ञानी भक्त, शुद्ध भक्त, प्रेमी भक्त,
Pela is Jnani Bhakta, Shuddha Bhakta, Premi Bhakta.
और अंत में जाकर के
At the end, what did he gave the Radha, the topmost Radha
बता देते
Katha.
हैं। मैं सब गुरुदेव के देखा
I've seen it, I've heard it from Gurudev.
और राधा जी के सर्वोत्तम प्रेम को गुरुदेव का और उसी कथा को सब चलो ग्रंथ में प्रकाशित किया है।
And also these
इसलिए कृष्ण
Granths
कार्य यदि नारायण नहीं तो तभी की
are also published
केमन करिता
in different
राधार
languages.
महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा।
So that's why I'm saying, if Narayan Goswami Maharaj
राधा जी के प्रेम जी रस
not here, then who would have done prachar?
समझा।
Who would have,
राधा जी के जो प्रेम की सर्वोत्तम जो है
who would have taught us about Radha Prem?
दिव्य मार्गदर्श के ऊपर जाकर के जहाँ पर चैतन्य महाप्रभु रामानंद के साथ व्यक्त किया और अंत में
The
चैतन्य
conversation
महाप्रभु
that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had
रसराज
Rai Ramananda,
महास्वरूप
then what did at the end? Then not everyone got to see that Rasa, Raj, Ras,
देखिए प्रभु
but
वही लोग पूछे
Rai Ramananda got this darshan.
रसराज महाबाप को देख
Rasraj darshan. Chaitanya Rai Ramananda got the darshan. And what happened to Rai Ramananda fainted when he got this darshan.
क्या
So who can imagine
इसलिए महाप्रभु की महावदनता और साथ ही साथ उनके
Mahamadanya?
गुरुदेव की महिमा को आपको समझना चाहिए।
So we have to
गुरुदेव कोई
understand.
साधारण नहीं है,
We have to understand
रामन मंदिर
Gurudev.
है, इसमें कोई
He's
संदेह
not
नहीं।
anyone ordinary.
क्या
He's
मंजरी है?
Raman Manjari.
भगवान मंदिर
He's Raman Manjari.
है, इसमें किसी प्रकार संदेह नहीं है। इसकी कथा आगे गुरुदेव की महिमा बाद में बताइए।
Then I will
आज ये पर मैं
end here
विराम
now.
देता हूँ।
I will
ठाकुर जी की आरती
end the katha now.
ग्रहण करें। वंशा कृपा
And this talk is supposed to be Manchika Katha.